Another bright sunny day here in Portugal from Porto. Discovering Porto with these beautiful views with Ahmad
from Qatar.
from Qatar. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's go and discover more of Porto.
Let's go.
I was falling, I was falling, I was looking for a sign in your eyes, something to let me know you were mine all this time. I will carry your heart all my life. This love is alive.
So here I am eating Portuguese food, fazlazinha, right? Fazlazinha. It's mixture of meat in a sandwich with a lot of cheese and explosion of spicy sauce. It's so nice. With a typical beer, super bog. So it's my last day here in Porto. I just found a tea shop that it has a lot of teas from different countries in the world. I just got mine here. I think the smell is pretty nice. It's an Asian tea. The full menu, it's very descriptive of every tea. So if you're a person that loves teas and you are in Porto, you should come to this place. The name is Rota do Chá. And with a nice toast. Before ending this video, I really want to say that Portugal was a very amazing trip. my goal, that meeting foreign people, international people here in Portugal. The goal happened. I've met a lot of nice people, travelers, and it was so amazing just knowing them. For the friends that I've made, it was nice to meet you. Keep in touch, text messages anytime. And for the others, I hope to meet you in another country, so stay tuned and keep following. Bye!